Prepare to have your mind boggled by the world of fruit. Fruits are not just delicious and nutritious, they hold secrets that can surprise even the most knowledgeable food enthusiasts. We often think we know our apples from our oranges, but nature loves a good curveball. The world of fruits is full of unexpected twists and turns that challenge our everyday assumptions. Take the banana, for instance. It's a berry. Yes, you heard that right. Despite its size and shape, the banana fits the botanical definition of a berry, which is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh. That long, curved fruit we associate with monkeys and breakfast smoothies belongs to the berry family. It's fascinating how something so familiar can have such an unexpected classification. Now hold on to your hats, because it gets even more surprising. The world of fruit classification is filled with such intriguing facts that can turn your understanding upside down. Strawberries? Those juicy red favorites? They aren't berries at all. In fact, strawberries are considered aggregate fruits because they form from a flower with multiple ovaries. This fact might seem unbelievable, but the botanical world has its own set of rules, and we're about to peel back the layers of these fruity mysteries. Understanding these rules can give us a deeper appreciation for the fruits we enjoy every day. Get ready to discover a world where pumpkins are berries, watermelons have surprising origins, and the definitions of fruits are more complex than they seem. The pumpkin, often thought of as a vegetable, is actually a type of berry known as a pepo, and coconuts defy easy categorization. Coconuts are considered drupes, which are fruits with a hard, stony covering enclosing the seed. Their unique structure makes them a fascinating study in fruit classification. We'll delve into the science behind these classifications and uncover the fascinating history of some of our most beloved fruits. From ancient cultivation practices to modern agricultural techniques, the journey of these fruits is as rich as their flavors. So buckle up for a fascinating journey into the world of fruit facts. Whether you're a casual fruit lover or a dedicated botanist, there's always something new to learn about these incredible natural wonders. To understand why a banana is a berry and a strawberry isn't, we need to delve into the botanical definition of a berry. This might seem confusing at first, but it's all about the science behind fruit classification. Forget the image of small, juicy fruits that usually comes to mind. The term berry in botanical terms is much broader and more inclusive than what we typically think of. Botanically, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single ovary within a flower and contains one or more seeds. Think of a tomato. Yes, that's right, the humble tomato is actually a berry. It might be a staple in savory dishes, but it fits the berry definition perfectly. This is because it develops from a single ovary and is packed with seeds, making it a textbook example of a botanical berry. It develops from a single ovary and is packed with seeds. This is a key characteristic that defines a true berry in the botanical sense. Grapes are another classic example. With their juicy flesh and small seeds, they grow from a single ovary and contain seeds fitting the botanical berry criteria. So how does a banana fit into this definition? We'll explore that next. Bananas, despite their elongated shape and thick peel, develop from a single ovary and contain seeds, albeit tiny ones. But for now, let's just say that appearances can be deceiving in the world of fruit. The next time you enjoy a banana, tomato, or grape, remember that you're actually eating a berry, at least in the eyes of a botanist. The humble banana, a staple food in many cultures, harbors a botanical secret. It's a berry. To understand this, we need to look beyond its elongated shape and tough peel. Bananas develop from a single ovary within the banana flower. If you've ever seen a banana bunch before it's ripe, you might have noticed the tiny black dots along the fruit. Those are actually undeveloped seeds. Cultivated bananas have been bred to have tiny edible seeds, but wild bananas have large, hard seeds that make them difficult to eat. So, despite its unusual appearance, the banana checks all the boxes of a berry. It develops from a single ovary and contains seeds. This revelation might make you see this everyday fruit in a whole new light. Now let's unravel the mystery of why strawberries aren't berries. It might come as a surprise, but despite their name, strawberries don't fit the botanical definition of a berry. Their juicy flesh and abundance of tiny seeds might make them seem like textbook examples of berries, but there's a fascinating botanical twist that sets them apart. Strawberries are what's known as aggregate accessory fruits. This means they develop from multiple ovaries of a single flower rather than from a single ovary like true berries. Here's the breakdown. The fleshy red part we enjoy isn't the actual fruit, it's an enlarged receptacle, the part of the plant that holds the flower and supports the fruit. It's an enlarged receptacle, the part of the plant that holds the flower. This part swells and becomes the delicious red flesh we all love to eat. The real fruits are the tiny seed-like structures on the surface of the strawberry, each one representing a separate ovary. These are called achenes, and each achene contains a seed inside. So while strawberries might not be true berries, their unique structure and delicious flavor make them no less delightful. They are a perfect example of how nature can surprise us with its complexity and beauty. They remind us that the world of fruit is full of surprises, and sometimes it's the unexpected classifications that make them even more fascinating. Next time you enjoy a strawberry, you'll know there's more to it than meets the eye, and you can appreciate the intricate details that make this fruit so special.